If it looks like I am sleep deprived, it's because I am. Anxious packer, you're looking at her. If any of you guys saw my video where I went to Florida for 2 weeks and didn't pack anything in my suitcase, well, that was a big challenge for me considering I literally have nightmares about not packing the right things like weeks leading up to my trip. So needless to say, your girl did not get any sleep last night because I am packing things this time for my New York 2-day vacation, which makes me even more anxious that it's a short trip. I've kind of actually come up with like some coping and managing tips on how to kind of become more prepared and pack a suitcase full of things that are actually gonna come in handy and create full and complete looks. So we're actually going with only a carry-on this time, but again, we're only going for 2 nights, so like that shouldn't be a problem. But we are gonna be doing a bunch of different things, so I wanna have outfits for every single occasion. So I'm gonna show you guys what I've got, and then I'm gonna shoot the looks while I'm in New York for you. Stay tuned for some more lively content than this. Hopefully the streets of New York will really give this girl some life. Okay, and this bun. Should probably fix that, but whatever. Step number 1. So you're gonna wanna go and create some sort of inspiration. I know a lot of people will go for Pinterest, create Pinterest boards. Personally, I just find it really hard to navigate Pinterest. I don't know why, my like algorithm there, it's not on point. So instead I take to Instagram and I just go into my saved folder. I try and like find people that are in the city that I'm going to. That way I can kind of like look at backgrounds as well and settings and include those into the looks that I wanna shoot. Here I've got like some cute diner places, lots of fun like creative backgrounds because I've been in Toronto where this is the amount of natural daylight we get on the daily end. It hasn't felt necessary for me to change out of my sweatsuit since like Christmas. Color, but also basics because last time I went, I didn't bring enough basics and that was a little bit of a problem. Basics are always gonna be your best friends. So this is my little carry-on suitcase. I actually just got this at Nordstrom Rack. Try not to ruin my nails, which unintentionally match. And this was on sale for $100. It's by the brand Calpac, which is a really good brand. And I'm obsessed with like all the storage and compartments in this. And look at how the swivel just is so smooth. I could do this for days. So not hoping for an airport delay, but if one were to happen, I'd be preoccupied. I actually went on the Nordstrom Rack website after I bought this in store and realized that they were selling this and the normal size as a bundle for $1.99. So that would have been a better call. I'll have that link down below for you guys. So the storage in this thing is really, really nice. On this side, I have all my clothes. If you already didn't know, rolling your clothes is the key to having an efficient packing system. Thanks to all my friends who finally got me on that bandwagon. We've got socks and stuff up here. I'm gonna put a pair of shoes in here when I'm done. And then just on this side, we have my chunkiest pair of shoes, underwear, pajamas, all that kind of stuff. Packing cubes are also a really handy thing to have, especially if you're packing in a carry-on. Also gonna be bringing like a tote like this for thrifting. I'm gonna try and keep that semi-empty so I have room to shop. So this is definitely the most important part of the process. We're gonna try everything on and snap pictures of them on my phone, create a folder so that way if any last minute plans come up, we will be prepared. I always kind of feel like Joey from Friends these days because since it is winter and I love me a good crew neck and hoodie, I always bring way too many. So I try and layer as many of them as possible on my body while I'm at the airport because who needs to worry about that stuff in your suitcase when you could just put it all on your body. That's why we thrift men's extra large clothing, my friends. So if you are going on kind of like a content Instagram-y type of vacation, I would recommend doing outfits where you can easily interchange like your top with your bottoms because that way you're not going to be schlepping around like a full-on outfit. And you know what, sometimes you don't even need to get a full body picture. Like that brunch outfit, I'm probably just going to do like a pop up kind of situation, so you won't even really see that I double wore my pants and my pink shoes, even though I'm going to give these bad boys maximum exposure on my Instagram because I am obsessed with them. So I actually meant to bring my black jeans for this portion of the video, but looks like they weren't in the suitcase. Things you don't realize until you try stuff on. now we know. Much better. I'm very sad to admit it, but I don't think I need this white crew neck because, as you guys saw, it didn't really play into any of the other outfits that I had, and I want to be able to pack my jeans, my black jeans, so I feel like I should make room by wearing a different sweater on the plane. That's also good. I made some more room because I had 2 night options for night 2, which is just like totally unnecessary. That blue corset was like a major no, so I'm glad I figured that out now. Overall, this does take a little bit more planning, structure than I'm used to, but it definitely pays off. So here we go. Here is the little New York outfit montage. This is how things played out. The reality.